Do 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 do. Hey, how's it going? It's Nancy Gamon. In honor of my 50th birthday, I'm going to make 50 paintings in one day. So I guess they better be small, and I better get going. I decided to make the art pieces on 6-inch by 9-inch papers so that all 50 would fit neatly onto my work table at one time. I started with the papers taped together into one large sheet so that I could easily use big strokes to put down the background colors. I used home decor wall samples for this part. I let the piece dry for a bit and then separated it into papers 18-inch by 24-inch. Working each section individually, I added black and white accents. When the papers were dry enough to handle, I cut them down into 12-inch by 18-inch pieces and switched to golden acrylic paints. Then I trimmed the papers to 9-inch by 12-inch and kept working. For the last step, I cut the artwork to the finished size of 6 inches by 9 inches and added the final details with Caran d'Ache water-soluble crayon. So I guess instead of 50 paintings in one day, I ended up with one painting made from 50 pieces. But I had an awful lot of fun doing it. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you'd like to make art together, head on over to my website at nancygamon.com, where you can check out the current list of workshops. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.